Thank you, Ron. And Governor Cuomo came out with a new mandate this week about schools in orange zones testing their students. Instead of testing everyone who comes to the building for in-person learning, schools now only have to test 20%. But some schools are still testing everyone, as we learn now from 2 on Your Side's Danielle Church.
This is the third and final day of testing at St. Joe's Collegiate Institute. By the end of the day, they'll have tested more than 600 students and staff. The school nurse tells me it's been a pretty smooth process, and she now has some advice for other districts trying to do the same.
Having an adequate number of testers, telling students that we would let them know if they were positive. If they were negative, they would not hear from us that evening. And also to just have the students come into the building for testing. Those are the 3 keys to have that huge number of testing be sufficient.
St. Joe's school nurse Roseanne Urbanski says it's also important for districts to tap into their school nurses to make testing more sufficient. The high school had 10 school nurses and 10 parents with medical backgrounds volunteer to administer tests. On Monday, they were able to test 250 people. 10 people were tested every 15 minutes. St. Joe's partnered with Kaleida Health's Visiting Nursing Association to receive the lab license, allowing them to conduct the testing. They can then receive free rapid testing kits from the state, which they're using on everyone at St. Joe's.
We know that the mandate is no longer to test 100% of the faculty, staff, and students, but we've made a conscious decision, knowing that if everybody who enters the building tomorrow has had a test in the last 3 days, that is the safest environment that we can possibly provide for our school community.
President Falco says the school is ready to open tomorrow morning. At the time I talked to him earlier today, he said only 1 student had tested positive for the virus. In Buffalo, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.